Hello, this is Miss Ferguson. I apologize I'm not going to have video with my face, so it's not as personable, but I'm a little under the weather and I don't want to torture y'all with my sickly appearance. This is going to be a video announcement for week 9. As always, please look below week 9 and select our online weekly checklist. And when you pull that up, you're going to notice for this week you only have one task, and that is the Grammar Review 4, and then also to complete your Grammar Quiz 4. Now, for those of you who are not fans of grammar, the good news is this is our very last grammar quiz. Okay, now that doesn't mean you can't ask me for, other information regarding errors like run-ons and comma splices and fragments and subject-verb agreement errors. If you ever want supplemental help with those errors, I'll be happy to send you things, okay, as always. Now, I would like for you to go in the order that I have listed here on the to-do list, on our checklist here. As far as just the information that's on our Canvas page, you're going to notice I do have an audio lesson and a PowerPoint. Please download that particular slideshow and listen to the slides, the lectures. These, again, are the same lectures I give my students in class. Also, I have some handouts for you as well, some notes that kind of have exercises with them as well. You may want to have those out during the lecture and also have them out when you are actually taking your quiz. I also have several other videos that I found online. These are awesome. I have not made these, but many of them I think you'll find helpful in understanding our two concepts this week, which are subject-verb agreement and also pronoun antecedent agreement. You do have some self-tests that you may want to consider taking here. You're going to notice we have 2 self-tests from Grammar Bites. They're interactive quizzes. We have one that is on, of course, subject-verb agreement, and if you go a little bit further down, you'll notice there's one also on pronoun antecedent agreement. Please try to take those self-tests before you actually take the Grammar Quiz 4, and as always, you're going to have 3 chances on the Grammar Quiz 4, and the highest grade will be the grade that goes in the grade book, okay? I also have other good news. After you write your career narrative essay, you're going to have a little bit of a break from essay writing. Now, obviously, I still want you to take time and revise your literacy narrative, your diagnostic essay, okay? And you need to turn that in November, which I'll remind you of that closer to that date. But as far as our essay unit, we're going to kind of take a pause on that, and we are going to be discussing professional writing over the next few weeks. We're going to be looking at how to write an appropriate cover letter, also how to write an effective resume as well as a visual resume, and also you're going to be learning about effective interview skills. And I hope that you're going to find these assignments helpful to you in your future career search. As always, if you have questions about any of our, tasks or assignments, please email me or call me and I'll be happy to answer those. Thank you. Y'all have a wonderful week 9.